Kawaki from Two Blue Vortex, different design, longer hair. So let's give it a go. Haven't drawn him yet. He doesn't have his curse mark activated. Not a curse mark. What's it called again? Karma jacket. Big white jacket. Landscape page, pencil eraser, hit pause, will go too fast. So we're kind of like, it's a down shot. So we're kind of like looking at him from above, okay? Center point of my page here. Come up. Head is in the top half. So, top eyelid line. It's a relatively thick line. Across like that. And then it sort of hooks down the back. So then bottom eyelid comes around here. Right? And in Boruto they do this with the hooked sort of corner. See, that line comes on the inside of it. So you got this hook kind of on its own. And then his iris and pupil. So serious looking dude. Eyebrow, check mark or tick line, just going that way. And it's usually darker here, or thicker, should I say, in the front. And his hair tends to be black anyway, so you can color this black. Eyelid lines, like so. And then he has that mark underneath this eye. So it's like an X with a little line on that side. So his other eye, so his head's kind of turned a little bit, right? So the other eye isn't like the same as this. It kind of goes up a little bit this way. So we go diagonal, and then across the top. Right to a bit of a spike here. Like that. And then that bottom eyelid again. Like so. And then the iris and the pupil. Just in there. Eyebrow. Check mark just goes like that. And then we can make it a bit thicker at the front. Add an eyelid line. Just there. So side of his nose now comes down from the eyebrow. Comes around like so. There's nostril there. And his mouth bumps a little bit up and down like that. And this side is like a little bit longer than that side. And his top lip, bottom lip, like so. Chin then, relatively square. There. So we're in 3/4 pose a little bit, right? That's why this eye went a different direction. But what that means usually is that both sides of his face are a little bit different, right? So you can see his jaw on this side. Curves up towards his ear. And then his cheek on this side. So it like bumps around his chin in a bit and then out for his cheek and up towards the corner of his eye. Like so. So it's a little bit different on both sides. Tricky enough. So take your time. So you got like chin in at the corner of the mouth, out around his cheek, and then up towards the eye. And on this side it's more like a jawbone, like a standard sort of jawbone shape. So it just comes out, his jaw gradually curves around. And then we got like his sideburn just here. And it's kind of like shaved sideburn. And this comes around his ear, which goes back and joins the jaw. And he's got an earring. And then ear lines inside. And then this hairline continues up and like across to the top, so it goes, yeah, like around, all the way up. So we'll go sort of here. Like that maybe. And the back of the head just here. And this has like texture on it because it's like shaved. Then his hair gets long, right? So he has like these long spikes. So say like here, there's like a spike, right? And then another one seems to go down to like here. And this is like a dark portion that then goes long around his nose. I think that blonde hairline keeps going that way. And then this goes up. And then this comes over the eye somewhere here. And then we'll bring this back up. Out that way. And then this long hair goes like nearly around the whole way. So we'll go up here. The little one going that way. Boop, going there. Remember, hair moves now. It doesn't have to be exactly like mine. Blows in the wind and everything. Once you get the general shape, you should be okay. You know, animators change the way the hair spikes grow, you know, and move. So there's a bit of wiggle room. I think there's one just like hanging down here as well. So that seems to be his hair. So he's got like a big jacket on, okay? So it like comes down from around his neck. It goes all the way down. Got his hands in his pockets, so it's like it's being pulled back here. Okay. And on this side, it goes this way. This one kind of goes in a bit more. We meet his arm, just going that way. Okay, so then we got like his t-shirt and like collars and stuff inside here. I think his shirt sort of hangs down there. Then we got his collarbones. Your neck muscles always go into your collarbones there. And then like more shirt lines, folds on his t-shirt. And he's got like a baggy t-shirt hanging over his belt. Sort of punk rocker kind of style. And belt here. little belt holes. Like some belt lines. Bum, bum, bum. Doo doo. Right, and circle there. This is like his collar, right? So it's like a real big collar and with buttons on it. It's like a belt strap, I think, on the collar. So this collar comes out around his head, somewhere over here. Right, and then there's a belt hanging down here. It's got a bit of an edge. Bit of an edge on all these as well. Now this one looks like it hangs down just here, and there's like a full line there. And then the inside of his jacket sort of just goes up around that way, and then there's a buckle. So it's like if this jacket could close with this belt like over his mouth, sort of. Like it would go across there. It's kind of like an Akatsuki sort of thing. Huh, I wonder if that's on purpose. You know, design-wise. And then this goes down here. It's kind of like ripped off the bottom there. And then his shoulder on this side. Kind of like bumps and folds over itself, all down towards his sleeve at the bottom. Like that. Okay, getting there now. So the other side of his arm, his forearm, just goes that way, and his jacket hangs down there, and then we got like tricep and sort of forearm just going down into his pocket down there. Boom. Is that everything? I think that's it, guys. As usual, thanks for watching. It's crazy that so many people watch me draw. It's nuts. See you in the next one. Bye.